It's called Break to Rebuild. Sometimes we break to rebuild until every wound gets healed. No questions why we live and die is all God's perfect will. The break is no mistake. It's a step you have to take. So poorly healed growth patches and wounds will reseal with better alignment, adjustment, and refinement. If pain is a part of the game, then the struggle is a must. So don't play dead, just bow your head if it's God you really trust. The break will lead to changes, but that's too much to discuss. Before I was born, my life already knew me. It came perfectly equipped to break me down and then renew me. Amen. This process was very necessary because God can see right through me. So he knows how to undo to eventually improve me. And he's been there for my every single care. So would I change a thing? No, I wouldn't dare. We keep breaking, changing, and growing without even knowing until what's real is revealed. So no questions why we live and die and break just to rebuild. Thank you.